Hello friends, today's video is about stuff I'd love to get rid of, but I can't because I'm married. Marriage and minimalism and marriage are two things that sometimes have opposing forces involved. If you're like me and you like to have as little stuff as possible, then once you get married, things become a bit more complicated. When you have family, the way your house is organized and how tidy it is becomes a team sport. So in this video, I want to take you through some of the things in my kitchen that drive me crazy. Some kitchen items that are completely normal to have. Everybody has those, but to me, Mr. Crazy Organized Minimalist guy, I just want to chuck them. Come on, let's take a look. Let's start with this. Hundreds of years ago, maybe thousands of years ago, people started writing down recipes. And to make it easier for people to follow, they looked for something that everybody has in their kitchen and said, grab one of those to measure how much salt to put in. It's a tablespoon. Or grab one of those to measure how much pepper to put. It's a teaspoon. Because everybody has those, it was a common language that everybody could follow. But no, we had to complicate it. We had to invent a tablespoon measurer and a half tablespoon measurer. As if you can't just grab a tablespoon and fill it halfway. I don't understand it. And this is the fancy kind. They like stick together because they have magnets so they don't clutter up too much, but still they piss me off. Why do you need them? Half a tablespoon, a teaspoon. We have those already. We have them. And don't get me started on measuring cups. Cup. We have cups. That's why we put in the recipe as cups. Grab a cup, fill it. That's a cup. Half of it is half a cup. I'm okay. Next item. The lemon squeezer. Oh yeah. This one gets me angry. A lemon squeezer. I squeezed all sorts of things in my life, including lemons. And when I squeeze a lemon, I cut it in half, grab it, and squeeze it. Not at any point of that process, I thought, I need a half-pound piece of metal to do this very simple process. Why complicate it? I hate this thing. I want to throw it out. I can't throw it out, but I want to throw it out. But I can't throw it out. Lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer. What's next? Tomato squeezer. Similarly, oh, the garlic press. Oh yes, the garlic press. Open any cooking show. See how they do the garlic. They put it on the cutting board and they go chop, 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 chop. And that's it. Same as the lemon squeezer. Why complicate it? Why do you need another device that's, by the way, always filthy, like inside here? Why do you need another device to chop a garlic? You know how many years, how many thousands of years we've been chopping garlic? How many years have the Italians been adding garlic to every dish? Have they used this 1,000 years ago? No. Chopped garlic, you chop the garlic. Okay. I'm calming down. Last item for today. That's just more of a smaller pet peeve. But the cheese knife. A cheese knife. Because cheese is such a strong material that a regular knife just can't cut through it. You need a cheese knife. I don't understand. You don't need a cheese knife. Any knife will do, I promise you. Grab some blue cheese, cut it with another knife, and it'll cut right through. Blow your mind away. I like blue cheese. Do you like blue cheese? I love blue cheese. If you don't like blue cheese, grab some cheddar. Try it with a regular knife. It'll cut right through. Do you need a cheese knife? No. Clutter. Don't want it. Don't need it. I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse into my crazy brain, but I want to leave you with something important, something that this video could teach you, and that is related to the hysterical comedy you just witnessed. People struggle with decluttering because they want to have all the things. I know it sounds self-explanatory, but you want to have the lemon squeezer because maybe it makes it a bit easier. You want to have the cheese knife because when you have guests, it's nicer. When you have a nicer cheese knife, you have reasons to have more of those things. And there's a compromise innate built in to minimalism. You have to give up some convenience. You have to give up having all the things to have a calmer, decluttered home, car, closet, whatever. For myself, my math is easy. I know exactly the value of having less clutter for me and having more convenience and more stuff for me. And having less clutter, more often than not, 99% of the times, is more valuable. Not in every case. Yes, sometimes you need stuff, of course. But for me, the math is easy. For yourself, you have to stop and think about it. Is clutter making you stressed? Is clutter making your home not pleasant or not nice to have guests in? Is clutter making it hard to find things? Are you wasting a lot of money on knickknacks and stuff that you don't end up using? If so, it might be time to trade the convenience of having all the things with the peace of mind of having less stuff. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because this is all I talk about. And if you like cleaning and organizing, I'm your guy. And if you can write down in the comments, what are things in your kitchen that are just collecting dust? Things that are useless, that you could live without. I'd love to know what they are. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.